Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hey, it's after work today. I don't have a lot of free time, but I'm gonna get a little bit of daily stick time in with the Air65 in my backyard. Just come along with me and hang out. I'm gonna fly through, I got a couple of those newbie drone air gates, mini race gates set up in the backyard here. So we're just gonna fly a few batteries with the Air65 and, like I said, get in some daily stick time. You ready? Let's go fly. All right, we got the Air65 ready to go. Arm in 3, 2, 1, arm, and take off. Gotta warm up, I guess, before I go through those gates. There we go. I had a long day at work today. My arm's been real stiff. Getting me. But it's important to get out and get your daily stick time. Pretty sunset out there today. A little bit of speed to the backyard there. I'm going real fast to those gates, didn't I? Stuck on the gate there. Oops, gotta do my crash flip. There we go. And bring it home. We'll bring it home, put in battery number 2. Right. All right, we'll do battery number 2 in a sec. All right, here's battery number 2. Ready? And arm in 3, 2, 1, arm, and take off. And it crashed. Crash flip. There we go. Going a little bit fast in the backyard today, huh? Still made it through. Even though I bounced a little bit, I still made it through. Oop, gonna crash flip. Ah, darn it. I have to go pick it up. Okay, let's go pick it up. All right, and arm in 3, 2, 1, arm, and take off. Pretty good through the loops here. Loop-de-loop. All right, let's bring it back. All right, let's do battery number 3. All right, we got battery number 3 in. Let's go fly. Arm in 3, 2, 1, arm. Darn it. Crash flip out of it. I don't think I can. Oh, I could. I did get out of it. Nice. Barely made it through. Oh no. Crash flip. There we go. Arm again. It might be stuck in the grass again. Nope, gotta go pick it up again. Darn it. Yep. Some deep grass over here. All right, here we go. All right. Nice. Alright, let's bring her back. Oop, I missed the couch completely. Nice. Alright, let's do, we'll do battery number 4. See how it goes. Alright, let's go for battery number 4. Let's arm. 3, 2, 1, arm. And take off. Fly through my antenna a little bit. There we go. Man. Crash flip. Do some laps here real quick. Laps. Man, crash flip. There we go. So this quad, this Air65 has gotten pretty beat up. It's all covered in grass stains. The data connector where you plug and program in Betaflight is broken off. So this has become my quad that gets beat up for as long as it exists still. There we go. Alright, let me go bring it in for landing. Alright, let's do, well, we'll do 1 or 2 more batteries. We'll do battery number 5. Alright, I changed to race band 8 just to see if the reception gets any better, but I'm ready to go for battery number 5. You ready? 3, 2, 1, arm, take off. Nice. It's a beautiful day outside today. The rain's gonna come soon. You know, those of you that have not been to... Alright, where's battery number 6? Technically battery number 7. Something happened with the goggles and it The video file got corrupted for number 6, so for me, I gotta redo battery number 6. You ready? 3, 2, 1, arm. Let's go. Man, I flew around real fast too on that last one. I'm bummed that it got messed up. Dang it, crash flip. There we go. Nice. Haha, still made it. Still made it through. Ah, darn it. Crash flip. Here we go. Right through the antenna. Back to the antenna again. Oh no, no! Woo! Tough little guy. This Air65 is tough. I beat up a Air75 and had to return it already. The Air65 is still kicking. Still kicking. Okay. Woo! Nice. All right. It's time to bring it in and land it at 6 batteries. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me for daily stick time. I sure had a good time, and we'll catch you on the next one. Dang it, it fell off the couch. Alright, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.